We are practicing the first part of section 1.2, symbolic logic, and we are talking about compound statements, which is a statement that contains one or more simple statements connected by the expressions such as and, or, not, if, then, if and only if, and only if. Okay, so we're jumping into this. We're going to talk about the negation first, which is the not P. So if we I'm going to pull up the thing that's going to help you too here from your slides. This is what we're going to be using. These are the negations. So if it says all P are Q, then the opposite is some P are not Q. So this first one says all apples are red. So what is not P? All right, well, that would be some apples are not red, right? If all the apples are red, the opposite of that would be just at least one apple not being red. Okay, so again, this might be a helpful slide to use. That was, are all apples red? The opposite is some apples are not red. Okay, next one says some apples are red. So the opposite of that would be that all apples, or sorry, that no apples are red. So if there are some out there in the world, the opposite are like, nope, there are no apples. We cannot prove there's even one. Right? Then the glass is full. Okay, so the negation of that could be the glass is not full. And honestly, the glass is empty is like the same, but it's all in the language of it. So inserting a different word might not be the best, you know, goal here if we're talking about like logic and how we'll apply this to math. So that's why it's not C, it's A. Number 4, no cats are loyal. So if no cats are loyal, we want to show that some cats are loyal. That's the opposite of that. We can show that at least one cat is loyal. That would be the negation. And again, if you're struggling with this, go back here. We said no cats are loyal, and the opposite of that would be that some cats are loyal. Right, so there's the negations. Then we got into conjunctions. So given the statements below, write a conjunction. Conjunction is and. So this would be Julia drinks tea. Oh wait, sorry, P comes first. So Julia drinks coffee and Julia drinks tea. All right, Q comes first on this one. So Julia drinks tea. And the not P is there. And does not drink coffee. There you go. Next thing we got into were the disjunction, which correlates to or. Right, so P says Julia drinks coffee. Or Julia drinks tea. That's Q. All right, then we have Q first. So Julia drinks tea or Julia does not drink coffee. Not P. All right, and the last thing we're going to do for this assignment are the conditionals, the if-then statements. So P is Julia drinks coffee. So if Julia drinks coffee, then Julia gets jittery for the first one. All right, next we have not P implies not Q. So if Julia does not drink coffee, then she does not get jittery. There you go. All right, that's the end of your 1.2.1 homework.